Hey everybody, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look at about the elif statement in Python programming language, which is one of the conditional statements in Python. Okay, so elif condition is useful when we want to add an else statement that needs to be matched to a condition as well. So for example, if properties print, we have properties. Okay, so if parents print, we don't have any properties, but we have parents. So in this case, we don't have any property, but we are parents. By default, Python evaluates statements that are true. To represent a negative sentence, we must add a not keyword. So watch out for statements that use not as it can make it harder to read. For example, name equal to none. If not name, print didn't get a name. So we will have to look at a name because if not name mean not none mean true. So to look at a name. So same is possible with elif statement, if conditions. Let's say last name equal to my last name is hey. If not name mean no name. And if not last name mean no last name either. So if you run this, we will have no name. But if we change the last name from Hein to name, we will have just no name. Okay? So let's see. Hein. We have no name either. If not name, okay. So when multiple condition must be met, we must use and as well. I mean and mean END. Okay? So has kids. True. Married. True. If has kids and married, when this person is married and has kids. So we will have this person married and has kids. Okay? So not the keyword not can also be used as well, but it can be harder to read. For example, lies, books, very false is login, very false. If not, likes both and not is login. Print user not login. So we will have user not login. So I hope you enjoy this video and understand all of the concepts. So I would like to see in the next video and thank you for your time. So bye bye.